As businesses grow their online presence, they may want to reach more people than those that follow their page already. Facebook offers advertising solutions where you can create and run campaigns using simple self-serve tools, and track the performance of that campaign with easy-to-read reports. Running an ad directly from your page is the easiest way to start advertising and find more people who might be interested in what your business has to offer. This is called boosting a post. Boosted posts do exactly what their name suggests. You can boost a post you already made on your page so more people see it. Beyond boosted posts, you can also use a tool called Facebook Ads Manager. You can think of Ads Manager as a one-stop shop for all things advertising with Facebook. Facebook ads created through Ads Manager offer more advanced customization solutions. There are more options available to help you reach your specific business goals and the audiences you care most about. Ads Manager makes it easy to create ads. It lets you create ads in a step-by-step process. You'll choose the market objective that most aligns with your business goal. You'll choose the people you want to connect with, the places to show your ads, and what the ad will look like. And you control exactly how much you spent on advertising. Ads Manager has advanced targeting tools that can help you focus on the people who matter most to your business. Whether you want your ads to be shown to people based on age, location, hobbies, or something else, Ads Manager can help you connect to people who are likely to be interested in what you offer. We will learn a lot more about Facebook in the rest of this program, but I hope that this overview is a good starting point, as you get a better feel for the different social media platforms that can feature in marketing. Next, let's look at another very large platform, YouTube.